Hey guys, today my kids and I are going to show you how to make sheet pan, sausage, and veggies.
I want to do one.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey guys, today we're making this cheese.
Oh, we're making Parmesan cheese.
And you just...
All right. I still got to take a photo of it. Don't need all of it.
Sheet pan sausages and veggies are her go-to recipe. Just throw everything into one pan and bake it in the oven, and it'll be a delicious meal with minimal cleanup.
Let's get started.
Let's get started!
I'm going to get started on slicing up our sausage. And here I have 1 pound of kielbasa sausage. You can use whatever sausage that you like. I normally just have these in the freezer. I get them from Costco and I store them in the freezer. Want me to cut one? Here, try it.
Ooh.
Be careful. This is his first time actually using a knife.
Is that a good one?
Yep. Go ahead and just kind of cut it at a diagonal how I was cutting it.
Yeah, because he's a baby.
Oh, you got a hole. All right. Good job.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, you want to try it again? He's a lefty. And
Lefties for life.
Bradley's also a lefty. And my hubby's a lefty, so I'm the only one that's right-handed in my family.
Yeah.
My dog is probably left-pawed.
I just also don't eat shrimp, but...
Yeah, you don't eat shrimp.
You're allergic.
He's allergic to shrimp. But he loves shrimp, right? I actually have a shrimp, is it shrimp boil in a pan? Is that what we call it? Is that what it's titled? I think it's titled that. But you guys can take a look at that recipe if you love shrimp.
Thank you for starting that conversation, Bradley. You get a high five. You get a high five.
High five again.
I'll do it with my head. I like doing it with my head.
Headbutt.
So this is, yeah, like I mentioned, this is something that I always have in my freezer, that I always get from Costco, and some of the other stuff that I always have.
Mommy.
Are you okay?
Yes, that barely touched it.
Are there stir-fried veggies? That's always nice to have handy in the freezer. And they're frozen fruits that we use for smoothies.
Yes.
And a ton of other frozen lunches that my kids eat.
Pizza.
Pizza's one of them.
Hamburger.
Hamburger is one of them.
Corn dog.
No, we don't get corn dogs from Costco.
Wait, how
Okay.
You don't?
Mm-mm. All right, so you're
how about
he's gonna place those onto the sheet pan, and I'm gonna get started on our veggies.
That's a lot.
Here I have 1 red bell pepper, and I'm gonna cut them up into cubes.
Oh, wait.
And what I love about, yes, cubes.
Okay.
And what I love about bell peppers, or the red bell peppers, is it adds some nice bright color. And I just like the flavor of red. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. If you're gonna
Some
sneeze,
allergies
cover
this
you.
morning.
I was not, and sometimes I cough.
It is winter, so this is the time where everyone's getting sick. But
Achoo.
But like I mentioned, I do prefer the red bell peppers over the green,
Or
just
the
because they
yellow.
have a
What
little
about
bit
the
more
orange and
sweetness and
yellow?
more flavor.
What about the orange and the yellow?
I like orange and yellow also, but today we are using
that one
red.
was fake. Because Bradley just said, oh, that
You can go ahead and toss them in, yes. Well, squares, to be exact.
Water break, actually.
Water break? Have you been working that long that you need a water break already?
Yeah.
Already?
All right, take a water break. Now I have some broccoli, and I'm gonna slice them up into florets.
That's right one?
Sure, let me just do this one first.
Oh, that's how you do
Yeah,
it.
you kind of cut them off the stem. What I love about this recipe is
I
that
put them in the pan?
yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
What I love about this recipe is that you can tailor it to your liking. Like instead of using broccoli, you can add Brussels sprouts. I did use Brussels sprouts before, and
Oh yeah, I remember that.
you love Brussels sprouts now, huh?
Oh, what's the Parmesan cheese?
Oh, with Parmesan cheese. Anything with cheese makes
Except for
everything good.
Except for one of my classmates.
Oh, wait, we need to make them
not
smaller.
classmates.
We need to make them smaller. So you want to cut them up a little small, not small, but like not so big so that they cook all evenly. So I'll let you know when you can put them on.
Back to the cheese thing. One of my friends from school like hates cheese.
Oh, really?
Except for, but he loves pizza.
If you remember,
Any cheese?
Hates cheese but loves pizza.
Kind of weird.
The diarrhea weekend of cheese. Remember that?
Oh yeah, the Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
The cheese touch.
The cheese stuff.
I don't know if your
Cheese
kids
touch.
have watched Diary of a Wimpy Kid, but the kids mess
Fingers crossed.
around with the whole cheese touch thing. Let's see if we can fit this second head. I have one head, but let's see if we need to use this one.
Yeah.
Because we don't want our sheet pan to be overly crowded.
With broccoli.
With,
I'm gonna take over.
I think we could just fit a little bit more. Okay.
Yeah, I'll cut it.
Okay, how about you slice them in half? I'll cut the florets out,
No, man.
and then you make them a little smaller.
Okay.
Just do.
I took it. I'm using my knife.
All right, so kind of just slice these in half.
Yeah.
No,
Okay, maybe not.
slicing, not karate chopping.
No. Yeah. I'm gonna challenge myself.
10 minutes later, it is sliced in half. Just kidding.
Okay. Is this?
That's good. I think these ones are good. You can even break them up with your hands.
Wait, break them with your hands? Okay.
Yeah, you can even,
Oh, shoot.
who needs a knife when you have your hands? So in a small bowl, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I want to use good quality olive oil for this.
Oh, that's enough.
You want to do it?
That thing barely overflowed.
There you go.
How would
It was exactly on the line. Oh, yay, buddy, you're here to be cute again.
He's here for moral support. Right, Bradley?
Yes, he's supposed to be cute. So do we just put them all in the bowl?
Yeah, so I'm gonna tell them first what this is. This is 1 teaspoon of paprika.
Paprika.
All right,
Whoa, who's gonna mix it?
you can.
Oh, yay.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Oh, this like garlic powder?
We love garlic, right? Don't eat garlic powder.
Oh, it's
But there is some on my hand.
1 teaspoon of onion powder.
onion powder.
But garlic powder is still on my hand, so I'm just
Fine.
gonna see what it. Okay, fine.
Garlic. And now we're gonna mix it until it's well combined.
That's what you always say, right?
That's what I always say, right?
Whoa! It's turned into. It's
looks-
mostly paprika.
Well, the paprika makes it this like really pretty red color. So now we are going to pour this all over the ingredients in our sheet pan. Just get it all evenly over here. You want to make sure to season everything really well with salt and pepper.
It's not my first time doing this because one time I did it by myself. One time remember when I had 3 eggs for dinner?
Yeah. And eggs are my go-to when I don't cook. So I keep a stash of eggs in the fridge and I just hard boil them and he eats them for dinner.
Right there. It's in there, but you can't see it.
Okay.
Probably.
He also eats it with rice, right?
Yes. So when I had 3 eggs for dinner, right, I wanted some salt, so I just got it and actually did it on my own.
Awesome.
So it's not my first time.
Oh, okay. Good
On
job.
the middle.
Next,
Pepper.
pepper.
Yeah, it's smoother than that too.
Is it going? Let me see. It's working. No, you're turning it the wrong way.
Oh,
This way.
No wonder it was smooth. No wonder it was smooth.
So once we are done seasoning this up, I'm gonna bake it in the oven for about 35 minutes and I'm gonna mix it halfway.
Is that it?
That's good.
Okay.
And then what I love about this is it does take 35 minutes to bake, but what I like to do is I finish up my chores, attack my to-do list, and by the time I'm done, we have a delicious meal waiting for us. I have my oven set to 400 degrees. I'm gonna bake it for about 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna give it a stir after 20 minutes, and after it's done, it looks just like this. I did add 1 diced potato as I explained in the video. Okay, we have a couple friends joining us. We have Woody and we have Buzz. But anyway, so after I had placed this in the oven, I went to look at my written instructions and I realized I completely had mommy brain and I forgot to dice up
Potatoes.
a potato. So I diced up a potato really small and I just sprinkled it around the veggies and sausages.
It's a good
So, if it's not already good, I am going to give it an extra drizzle of olive oil.
Hey, Buzz, don't
Watch
put
out.
that potato back.
All right, watch out, Buzz. And then you could also add more salt and pepper if you need it. And lastly, we're gonna sprinkle over everything some shredded Parmesan cheese. All right, it is looking good, you guys. Okay, that's a good enough amount of cheese. All right, so you want a sausage and a potato? Okay,
Sausage and a potato.
Got the perfect bite right here. All right, I'm gonna attempt to go for everything. I got a broccoli, bell pepper, potato,
Sausage.
and sausage. Oh, that's a big bite.
Oh,
Cheers.
Wait for me. Cheers.
so good. You guys have to try it. Oh, you have to.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Okay, you guys don't do that. I overly stuffed my mouth and I bit the side of my cheek.
Wait.
But anyways, this is so good, you guys. Easy recipe, just throw everything on a sheet pan. You saw Erin do it. Guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Bye.